What's going on, guys? My name is Spencer, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Rolex Sea Dweller Deepsea Deep Blue Edition. I was fortunate enough to walk into my authorized dealer the other day, and I was able to pick it up. So what a blessing that was, and a Christmas surprise. But my wife Sehi is filming this, and please work with us as this is our first video, and as we are working through the kinks and becoming better at this. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. Hi guys, so today I'm wearing the Rolex Explorer 2 216570. We got this one a year ago. We went to the authorized dealer for the first time, my wife and I. She actually purchased a Rolex Datejust, and I got the Explorer 2. We got the names, our nicknames engraved in the back. So nicknames for her is Ape and mine's Baboon. Don't ask me how we got those, but we got those nicknames engraved in the back, so I'll go ahead and let you all see what that looks like. And then it has our anniversary date as well. This one also, I put the rubber B bracelet on a couple of weeks ago. Been extremely happy with it so far, very comfortable. My other stainless steel bracelet was getting scratched up at work, so I decided to go ahead and get this bracelet to preserve the quality and the finish of the stainless steel bracelet. So pardon the grease stain here. Give me a microfiber cloth. You got grease all over it. Let's see up close. And so we'll go ahead and try this bad boy on. At first, it's rather heavy compared to the Explorer 2, and that's given the the stainless steel bracelet, obviously. However, this is a 44 millimeter watch, and then the titanium backing to prevent this watch from being any heavier than what it absolutely had to have been. Given that it's already heavy. So, but as you can see, the titanium backing, the Deepsea model is built and engineered for depths up to 12,000 feet, 3,900 meters, whereas the Rolex Sea Dweller is built for 4,000 feet, so 3 times that size on this one. Just trying it on. Feels quite bigger than the Explorer 2 right off the bat. Granted, this one's extended all the way. This one featuring the glide lock clasp, which ultimately enables it to be extended in increments of 2 meters, up to 20 or rather 2 millimeters up to a total of 20 millimeters. Also featuring the diver's extension piece here. Go ahead and fold those in. I'm gonna pause it while I figure out how to work. Alright guys, so we've actually pulled it out of the box now. Went ahead and tried it on and got the glide lock clasp all dialed into my size. But as you can see, the deep blue face, which actually I was watching a video yesterday and I learned that near the 6 o'clock, it's not actually black. It's just a extremely dark shade of blue. So news to me there, but something you can tell that distinguishes the 126660 from the 116660 is the text. The original gas escape valve and ring lock system. It's not as thick nor as bold as the original model. Something else they also did was they made the bracelet slightly wider in addition to the clasp to complement the larger size of the watch face. So right off the bat, you know, if I compare the Deepsea clasp to the Explorer 2 clasp, and granted I got it, you know, the Explorer 2 is not a dive watch, but just, you know, for, you know, comparison's sake, you can tell the Deepsea is slightly thicker and wider than the Explorer 2 model. So just food for thought there, but you know, being a larger watch, it obviously makes sense that they're going to be larger class. But the Sea Dweller Deepsea, you know, featuring the helium escape valve here on the side, which enables the helium particles to be released as divers are surfacing slowly to prevent the crystal from being crushed from the pressure. You can see the backing, the text there. It's really quite beautiful how Rolex engraves, you know, the back on this model. I know that they, generally speaking, do not engrave, you know, their case backings. It's not like a Patek where sometimes they'll even have clear backings to show the movement. And I think Rolex has a new model that was worn by golfer Phil Mickelson recently that featured a see-through or clear backing, but obviously that's not widely available at the moment. But as you can see, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Just the sound of that dial, or the bezel rather, as you're turning it, just extremely clear. You know, enables divers to be able to see how long they've been underwater, so that they don't run out of oxygen. It's unidirectional, it's not bidirectional, and obviously that's so that divers are not potentially underwater longer than what they should be. Yeah, that's the Rolex Deepsea. We're going to continue making videos here in the near future, and my goal is to bring substantive content to the channel and to have good discussions about, you know, our passion, which is Rolex watches and other, you know, fine timepieces, obviously. But this is our first video, so please pardon any errors or I guess anything that's not pleasing to the eye, and we'll continue to work on it. But thank you, and happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year to everybody.